Whoops. We're on Google, okay? Yo, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? So, this video, I'm just going to do a weekly trade recap and talk about how I got approved of a payout this week. So, yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. I did only end up taking 2 trades this week. So, it's more like just like a daily trade recap, but I'm just going to say weekly trade recap. So, yeah. So I'm gonna go to Monday because I'm pretty sure I did take a trade on Monday. I'm gonna try not using bar replay today because every time I use it, I usually mess it up. So yeah. So New York sessions over here. Okay, yeah, perfect. So this is market open. This candle right here. So at market open, I was really bullish, pretty much because we still had these Asia highs over here, and we were almost at all-time highs. So I was just really bullish, and I thought we were going to go up to all-time highs today. So low-key, not even the best reason. I can't even lie. Not even the best reason for being bullish. But yeah, I was bullish. So yeah, market open, we manipulate up. A trade that was good that I low-key could have taken was a short right here. It was a clean 30-second FEG on this leg. Stop up here targeting sell side below. This was a really good trade, but for some reason I was just so bullish when I don't think I really should have been as bullish as I was. So yeah, this short, I sort of missed out on this. And then we ended up sweeping hourly sell side over here. Or right here, yeah. We swept this hourly sell side, and we also filled in this new week opening gap. So I said, okay, bet I'm a long. If we get a long setup off it, what do you know? Create an obvious looking for value gap, but we get an inverse of it. So you already know this was my entry. Boom. My stop loss was all the way down here at this swing low. See, the old me a couple months ago, I would have easily gone stopped out on this one. I would definitely put my stop right here, gone stopped out, then saw it ran up. But me now, since I've learned from my mistakes, I put my stop at the swing low because I knew there was a big chance that we retraced down before we went up. Just because like screen time and how many times I've seen this play out. So a lot of people got stopped because their stop loss was here, but I'm telling you, you got to put them at the swing lows or swing highs. And then we went down, we went up. I held, my break even point was up here. So once we hit this high, I then moved break even. I could have scaled, I would have scaled if it was better RR, but it was only 0.6 RR. So I just held for these pre-market highs. So yeah, I ended up getting break even on this trade. It was low key a mid trade. I don't know why I was so bullish. Maybe it wasn't. I mean, we had relative equal highs. We had Asia highs. Yeah, I'm not really mad. I think, okay, yeah, I take that back. It was a good trade. But could have had some better reason, I think. So that was Monday, break even day. So yeah, not too much happened. Then I'm pretty sure my other trade was Tuesday. It was either Tuesday or Wednesday. I low-key forget. Okay, yeah, it was Tuesday, bet. So coming into Tuesday, I was extremely bullish. On the high time frame, look at this trend line liquidity right here. Is this this is more or less trend line liquidity actually. But yeah, I'm gonna go to hourly, even though it's gonna mess some things up. So hourly is like the main reason I was bullish, if I remember correctly. Where's Tuesday at? Emily, good. Yeah, so this is Tuesday. On the hourly, we have this trend line liquidity. So coming into market open, we were like right here. I wanted to see us go down, 9:30 juice swing, sweep this hourly low, react off these hourly for value gaps, then get a long, targeting this trend line liquidity, and just all the way up here. So yeah. And you see we ended up running it straight away, like the next day. So yeah, gonna go back down to the 1 minute now. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? Tuesday, okay, right over here. So boom, exactly what I wanted to happen. We had 930 Judas swing down. We also have these relative equals, which are pretty much just equal highs. So like just really good buy side. And what's this, London high? Yeah, London high too. So just good buy side as well. We swept this low right here. I would have taken a long if there was a clean fair value gap on this leg right here anywhere, but there's just no clean fair value gaps, so I did not take any longs. I know I know some people took like the CISD long and got stopped out, but that's why IFEGs are a cheat code, especially like clean ones, because there's no clean IFEGs, so there wasn't even like an entry for longs, so you couldn't have even got stopped out. So yeah, so took nothing. 9:57 coming into 10 a.m. open, we went down even more. Boom. So we're just generated liquidity at the beginning of 10 a.m. Boom. Then finally, we went down, created a clean and obvious fair value gap. We reswept these lows, these internal liquidity lows right here. And then what else did we do? This is one of my favorite confluences, I'm not even gonna lie. On like all of my winning trades, I have this. A reaction off of an hourly fair value gap or fair value gaps. In this case, we have two. This one, look, we end up even respecting it to the T. This one and this hourly fair value gap we reacted off of. So boom, once I saw we hit those, I immediately looked for longs. Oh, this is annoying. I'm going to go back to it. Immediately looked for longs, and what do you know? There was the most obvious fair value gap I've ever seen, which is this one right here. So boom. So I said, okay, if we inverse this, I will take a long. Simple as that. Then what do you know? At 10:30, we inverse it, which is my entry. My stop loss, I think my stop was the swing low. Then targeting, this is an unfilled 15-minute gap. I'm not going to switch time frames because it's going to like mess it up, but this was an unfilled 15-minute gap, and it was good enough RR, so I literally took all profits at this unfilled 15-minute gap. I'm really glad I did instead of holding all the way to these relative equals, because we ended up going back down. So yeah, entry was this 1 minute. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was so confident. I even re-entered. Bro, this sucks. I was so confident this long that I added more to my position once we got this really clean 3-minute inverse right here. So I added more, and then I took every profit at this final high right here for like 1.2 R since I added in. So yeah, this was definitely the trade of the week. Clean 1 minute inverse reacting off hourly fair value gaps, targeting an unfilled 15-minute gap with really good momentum. I mean, it's just textbook. So yeah, I didn't take any trades the rest of the week, so I'm just gonna cut off the video there. So yeah, man, this was my first payout in a while, so it feels great to be back. And now I'm just working on scaling up. I'm buying plenty of accounts for next week to try to pass, and then start just getting bigger payouts in the future. So yeah, patience is key. I literally took one break even and one win last week, and then took the rest of the 3 days off. I mean, you don't need a trade every single day. That's like the key. That's like the key to profitability. If I had to give one single key. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll probably post another weekly or just trade recaps every day next week. I'll see how I'm feeling, but yeah, let me know if you guys enjoyed the video or learned anything. And yeah, feel free to join my free Discord, which is in my YouTube bio as well. So yeah, peace out. Feel free to comment down below. And yeah, I'm out.